guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I will be showing you guys step by step how to make this delicious spicy buffalo chicken wings with a little bit of barbecue sauce in it. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make these wings, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious buffalo spicy chicken wings, my version. Enjoy. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a spicy buffalo chicken wings. So I'm going to show you guys my ingredients now. First, we have some fine leaf thyme powder, mustard hot sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, paprika, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. I also have some grated ginger, and this is my chicken wings here. So let's go season up our wings now. Okay, so to season our wings, we're gonna put in our chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, grated ginger. I'm also going to put in mustard hot sauce. Please check the description box for all my measurements and ingredients. Alright, so we're going to mix this up and let all the seasoning combine into the wings. So we'll be back. Okay, so you're going to leave your chicken wings to marinate for about an hour, or if you want you can leave it to marinate overnight. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken has been marinating for an hour. So I have some flour here. Oops. So I'm going to put my chicken wings into the flour. I just put my oil to hot up. So I'm going to fry them now. So you guys can see, yeah, my oil is here, hot up there. So I'm going to put in the wings now to fry. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so while my wings is frying, we're gonna make our buffalo sauce now. So we're gonna put some butter into the pan and let it melt. Okay, so our butter finished melting. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your hot sauce. Spicy pepper sauce. Also, you're gonna put in some mustard hot sauce, and you're gonna put in a little bit of ketchup. You're gonna put in some onion powder. And garlic powder, and some paprika, and some brown sugar, and you can stir this up. Alright, and let it boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, so my sauce is finished boiling here. So as soon as the chicken finish, I'll pour it in the chicken. So we'll be back. So my sauce is finished. Okay guys, so my wings finished frying here, so I'm gonna take them out and put it into container with a paper bag, with a paper towel, sorry. So we'll be back. So I'm gonna put my all the wings to fry. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken wings finished frying. So these are the wings here. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour your buffalo sauce all over the chicken wings. Ooh. It's gonna be so spicy. Right, so you're gonna mix this up. Make sure all the wings get the sauce, alright? So we'll be back. Hey guys, so this is the end results for my spicy buffalo chicken wings. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? So I'm going to try one of my spicy wings and let you guys see. Oh my god, it's so spicy. Yummy. Tastes really good, guys. Really good. Trust me guys, you guys should try this recipe. Alright? Take care. Bye.